Hi guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to off your active status so that no one will know when you're active on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's dive in. The first thing you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp. I'll be using WhatsApp Business for the purpose of today's tutorial. Then you go to the area where this arrow is pointing out. Then you go to setting. Once you go to setting, the next thing you have to do is to click on privacy. So once you click on privacy, please follow this video step by step so that you understand it. Then you click on last seen and online. Once you click there, you change it to nobody. You see where they wrote who can see my last seen, just click it as nobody. After that, you can see another one down there that wrote who can see when I am online. Then you click on same as last seen. Once you click it there, everything is okay. Then no one can see when you are active on WhatsApp. Please, if you find this video helpful, please do wait to subscribe to this channel and give the video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Now no one can see you when you are active on WhatsApp. See you in my next video. Bye.